Project Report and CMA Report Services. Fuel your growth with Filings Corner. Whether you're applying for a loan, pitching to investors, or planning a strategic expansion, a professionally crafted project report or CMA report can make all the difference. At Filings Corner, we prepare bank-compliant, detailed, and strategically tailored reports that enhance your financial credibility and improve your chances of success. What is a project report? A project report is a comprehensive document that presents your business idea, growth potential, funding requirements, and financial projections. It is a must-have for loan applications, investor pitches, and business expansion planning. Key components: executive summary and business overview, market research and SWOT analysis, cost benefit and risk analysis, detailed financial projections, P&L, balance sheet, cash flow, loan requirement and justification processing time, 5 to 7 working days price, Rs 599999. What is a CMA report? A CMA, credit monitoring arrangement. Report is a financial blueprint required by banks and financial institutions before approving business loans. It offers a complete view of your company's past and future financials, helping lenders assess creditworthiness. Key components: past financials, last 3 to 5 years. Operating and working capital statement. Future projections and loan repayment plan. Fund flow and cash flow statement. Key financial ratios and analysis processing time. 7 to 110. Working days price. R7,4999. Who needs these reports? Startups and founders, for seed funding or government loan schemes, MSMEs and SMEs, for term loans and working capital, manufacturers and traders, to raise funds for assets, inventory, or machinery, exporters, importers, for trade finance and banking facilities, service-based companies, for scaling up operations or acquiring capital. Additional financial report services, report review and enhancement. Already have a report? Let us fine-tune it for accuracy and compliance. 3 to 5 days, watch R2,9999. Customized reports with strategic insights, tailored for complex funding, multi-scenario projections, or investor analysis. Timeline, based on complexity. Pricing, on request. Why choose Filings Corner? Expert team, chartered accountants, CSs, MBAs, and legal advisors. Bank-ready reports, aligned with RBI and banking guidelines. Quick turnaround. On-time delivery without compromising quality. Confidential process. We ensure complete data privacy, end-to-end support. From planning to final submission. How to get started? 1. Choose a package from our website. 2. Confirm your order via phone or email. 3. Securely share your financials. 4. Our experts create the report, compliant, clear, and convincing. 5. Receive your report ready for submission to banks, VCs, or partners. Let's power your business. Finance. Ready to raise funds or impress lenders with professionally crafted reports? Call us now or visit www.filingscorner.com to get started today. Filings Corner. Financial clarity that secures capital.